Hi everyone. So today I will show you how you can create a conditional logical my account page. So when user is logged in, then they will see only this my account element you can see here, and when user is logged out, then they will show this one, this login and register area. And you can design these kind of things with the advanced tab. On the first tab you can show the login form, and on the second one show the register form. So that's pretty simple. So yeah, and I also create a header, so where you can also show two button. Where user is login, then they will see the my account option, and when user is logged out, they will see the login option. So let me show you. So how you can do that? You can just first you will come to the my accounts, this account page section, and come to the make this and back to condition. Here is the condition, and go to edit with condition, add a new condition, and then you will go for user logged in status. Yeah, this one is, yeah, this is, this will be show when user is login. So if I apply this, and you can see it will be work. Yeah, it's showing. And for the advanced tab, I already said that here user logged in status is log out. It will be show when user is log out. If I go on the incognito mode, you will see that yeah, you can see that. So that's pretty simple. And for the this will be same for the header. Let me show you. I will back to here and change this to my something like account. Yeah, account, and I said this when user is login status, user is login, and same goes for this one. I will make the condition login status logged out and save. That's it. And that's it. Copy. That's it. You can just make it something like this. And also let me yeah, you can see here. And if I reload this, you can see here account. That's it. And after user login, they will redirect to the on this page. So how you can do this? On the login area, you just set the login redirect URL on the my account page, and same goes for register. Set this redirect on the my account page. You can see here my account page. So that's it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.